Okay, everyone, don't tamper with fire alarms in public buildings, or else you will get into serious trouble and you will go to jail. Because fire alarms are not something to be messed around with. They are not toys. They are very serious life safety devices. Only do it with your own fire alarms in your own house. Even if you are going to somebody else's house and they have a fire alarm set up, you still don't tamper with that because those are not your alarms. So, this is why you don't tamper with fire alarms at somebody else's house. That is not okay at all. Especially don't tamper with fire alarms in public buildings. If it's not your alarm, don't tamper with it. Only do it with yours only. Bye.